Welcome, hope you're all ready to get some exercising done. This exercise is going to be basically for beginners. It's only going to take about 8 minutes. We're going to start off by exercising the arms, getting the blood flowing through the arms, warming up by stretching and bringing the arms down to the center of the body and back up again. Then we're going to be doing some jogging on the spot for 30 seconds, keeping your knees as high as possible. It shouldn't be too tiring. Next exercise, jumping jacks or star jumps. And we're going to do around about 30 of these just to warm up the body. It should help build up your stamina. And get your heart pumping. Next exercise, we're going to be doing some lunges. About 10 lunges each leg. Try and get your knee to just about touch the floor when you bend your knee. Try to keep your back as straight as possible. Okay. It's alright if you need to catch your breath here, because this exercise should help you balance and increase your stamina. But it can be quite challenging and exhausting if it's your first time. But try and keep up with the exercise, it's not that long. And we're going to be going to our next exercise. Which is circulating the arms. Starting off with small circles, and the circles will get bigger and bigger. If you've got fairly heavy arms or fairly large arms, this can be quite tiring. Next, we're going to stretch the upper body and the arms by leaning from side to side. It's a short stretch. Next, we're going to be touching our toes for about 10 repetitions. You should feel the stretch in your back and up the back of your legs. Try to touch your toes if possible. Moving on to the next exercise. Now we're going to have be seated and touch your toes. Stretching with your legs far apart as possible and trying to pull your toes back towards your body. Trying to straighten your legs as possible so that they're flat against the floor. You may need to close up your legs a little bit to be able to get the full stretch if you can reach. You should feel the stretch down behind the back of your legs and your arms and your back. Then using both arms, touch each foot. One foot at a time, both arms touching one foot at a time, and hold it there for a couple of seconds so that you feel the stretch. Next exercise, you're going to put your legs together and stretch upwards as high as possible while seated on the floor. And you should feel the stretch along your arms and your back, maybe even in your chest area. And your shoulders too. Stretch as high as you can while seated. That's it. Keep it up. You can do it. Few more. Next exercise. Gonna stretch the thighs and the legs and the side by touching your toes with your legs spread apart, standing. Just reaching down and touching as far as you can go, your ankles or your feet. Don't worry if you get out of breath or you start to lightly sweat. It's good to sweat, but this exercise, for this amount of time, you may not sweat that much. Then using both arms to stretch the back of legs and back by touching your toes with your legs far apart. Don't forget to enjoy yourself and have fun while you're exercising. Enjoy it. It's not supposed to be something that is strenuous or stressful. Just flex the arms a little bit. If you haven't already, do subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, watch some of these other videos here as well on this channel, like these.